Trans Am, obviously, and we're headed to my buddy Gio's house for the last time in this car. It's getting started for the winter. We have the manual transmission at his house. That's where everything's getting installed, obviously. And today I plan on getting the tires off, the seats out. The dash would be nice. I also want to get the drive shaft out. Just, I mean, start with the simplest of stuff, and hopefully we can get all that done. If we can't, it's not a big deal. I don't know what time the wife's gonna come and pick me up, so we're gonna try our best to get as much done as we can in the time frame. It's cold out. I think it's like 40 degrees or something. For the first time in probably 3 years, I did not watch the finish of a Bills game. It was a rough game. They just, I don't even know what to tell you guys. It was rough. Other than that, there's really no news yet. In case you guys didn't know, with the transmission yesterday, I did get a line lock, and I also got, not pulled over, I also got 2 3-inch QTP, very good quality product, cutout exhaust, electric, obviously. So we're ready to go and have some fun. Very shortly, I don't know when, before the end of the year, probably Black Friday, I'm going to get HP tuners, and I'm either going to have to pay to get my laptop fixed, which is what I want to do, or I'm going to use my wife's laptop. Either way, it's all the same to me. There's something else I want to tell you guys, I just don't remember what. Eventually I will be getting new rims. That might be Black Friday also, but Black Friday's approaching really quick, and that HP tuner, that's a lot of money, so it's minimum $300. And with that, I'm also going to probably tune my wife's car, maybe. This already has a tune in it, so I'm not too worried about it. But I mean, my friend does it, and it's just, I don't want to say it's inconvenient. If anything, it's inconvenient for him. So it'd be nice just to be able to do it myself. It's only $100 to do it, but it's just nice to be able to do it. They're working on getting the BCM, the body control module. Then I would love to, because then I can adjust the all-wheel drive, the rear-wheel drive, and I could have a lot more fun with that car. So I'll talk to you guys in a few minutes. Okay, so we're at the garage and we're working on the car. Obviously, first thing, jack it up. I took the wheels off because when I'm driving, if I give it any pressure on the e-brake, it squeaks. So eventually I gotta fix that. And I wanted the wheels off so my feet can slide in and out real easy. Number 2 was take the seats out, because I don't know how to get that off, and I want to take this whole thing off so I can disconnect the shifter and do all of that. I don't know if I had to take the whole thing off, but I did. And obviously you can't see it, but down there the pedals got to come out so I can add the shifter in. For anyone, I did disconnect the battery. That's already taken care of. I don't know how, but this has to come out. Getting close to it, not there yet. The exhaust is already out. This is an SLP loudmouth muffler, whatever that is, right there. Here's my new T56, or new to me T56, LS7 clutch with a very, very heavy flywheel. I got parts in here. I got parts over there. I got a bunch of parts, and right now I'm working on the drive shaft. I don't really know how to get it out, but it can't be that hard. So we're gonna figure this out, and I'll get back to you guys in a few minutes. Or maybe right now. So under here, I don't know if I have enough room, but under here, that's gotta come out. That's gotta come out. Okay, so gotta get the drive shaft out right there. Gotta get torque arm out. I don't know how to get it out from here, but it can't be that hard. And then drive shaft's gotta come out. It's gonna be a whole lot of fun. So I'll talk to you guys in a few minutes. Alright, so to finish off this video, I didn't get any more work done in here. But on a side note, the lumbar support wasn't working, and I figured out why, because it wasn't connected. I ended up getting the drive shaft out, so that's all good to go. I just have to double check to make sure the yoke fits that transmission, which it should. They're both, it should be both 27 spline. And then you go under here. I got the torque arm disconnected down there. The yoke disconnected, obviously. And you know, I'm just stuck on getting torque arm off right there. I don't know. But yeah, we're making progress. There, I am. And so my ride's here, so we're gonna call it done. I just gotta finish cleaning up. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please tune in for the next one. Please subscribe, comment, let me know what you think. Let me know if you notice I'm doing anything wrong. Until next time, guys, stay positive.